Welcome to the Izolyator plant. Our company is a world leader in design and manufacturing of high-voltage bushings for voltages from 20 to 1,150 kilovolts. The history of enterprise development dates back to 1896. The Corporate Museum of the plant presents the most important milestone of the century-long history and the achievements of the Izolyator plant. Our history has embodied an invaluable experience and a solid foundation for future development, laying the foundation for a new stage in the life of the enterprise. In 2007, a new modern production complex was built with an area of more than 24,000 square meters. Production and development of the bushings for all types of generation facilities, transmission and distribution of electricity are based on the plant. The main intellectual center of the plant is Design and Technology Department, which carries out the modernization and development of new types of high-voltage bushings, and also designs bushings for individual orders. All bushing designs are certified both to Russian and international standards and can be delivered in any climate execution. As a bushing project is created and approved, parts and components are purchased. The company uses only advanced materials from time-proven manufacturers. All components are stored in a warehouse under strict observance of temperature and humidity conditions. At all stages, from the procurement of parts and components to the packaging of finished products, instrumental quality control is carried out, including laboratory analysis of materials. The internal logistics of the enterprise is optimized. The plant is designed in such a way as to reduce the time for moving parts between workshops. Parts coming from the procurement department are machined. Couplers and mounting flanges are made for future bushings on numerically controlled milling machines. After the washing and electroplating section, the cleaned and processed parts enter the insulation making shop. Here, the insulation core is wound with condenser plates designed to equalize the electric field. A special pride of the plant is the unique Tuboli Astronic winding machine, the installation of which became an important stage in the development of the production potential of the enterprise. The machine allows winding insulating cores up to 12 meters long and up to 750 millimeters in diameter. After winding, the insulating core is subjected to thermal vacuum drying, followed by impregnation with an epoxy compound. After that, polymerization, curing, of the insulating core takes place in special chambers. Solid insulation is subjected to turning on modern machines. Mechanical treatment of solid internal RIP and RIN insulation of high-voltage bushings for voltage classes 500 to 750 kilovolts is carried out using a high-tech lathe with numerical control, which is designed and manufactured specifically according to the technical specifications of the Izolyator plant. The manufacturing of external silicon insulation is direct casting of silicone rubber onto solid insulation. Full automation of the process guarantees high quality of the manufactured insulation, which does not require additional processing, and a significant reduction in production cycles. The prepared internal and external insulation of the bushing is sent to the assembly shop, where a coupler is fixed on it. Next, external insulation is installed. It can be made as hollow insulators. These are porcelain, composite shed, or insulation with silicone fins. In the case of hollow insulators installation, the space formed between the insulating core and the insulator is filled with a filler that protects the insulating core from moisture and acts as a refrigerant. As a filler in serial products, both transformer oil and dry filler, compression insulating gel are used. The test center of Izolyator high voltage electrical equipment performs mandatory electrical tests of all products of the company. The company is accredited and is capable of testing the high voltage bushings of all existing voltage classes. The equipment available in the test center allows the complete acceptance testing of bushings for compliance with Russian and international standards. Each 220 kilovolt bushing and higher is tested with full and chopped lightning impulses, which is unique for Russia. Tests can reduce accident rate to a minimum. Over the past 25 years, it amounted to less than 0.1%. The company has an integrated quality management system and environmental management. Successfully tested bushings are packed in specially designed boxes, completed with parts and delivered to the finished goods warehouse. Bushings are promptly delivered to customers, regardless of destination. 30 countries of the world are consumers of Izolyator high-voltage bushings today. We are working hard to maintain and strengthen Izolyator's position in the energy equipment markets of Russia and the whole world. Izolyator plant has the social responsibility. The plant has a modern dining room, a sports hall, and has its own corporate television. Employees of the enterprise honor the memory of all factory workers who forged the victory at the front and in the rear during the years of World War II. Their names are forever carved on the granite slabs of the memorial located on the territory of the plant. Century-old traditions, state-of-the-art technologies. These words became the motto for those who work at Izolyator plant, which is rightfully considered the world leader in design and manufacture of high-voltage bushings. We invite you to visit our plant.